Hi everyone, you're welcome. We are going to be creating a fake background for your video. Ensure that you already have a picture with enough space. So you go to Adobe Firefly the one circle there, click on it. It will take you to this page. Click on the circled one, create. Ensure that you are in this page, and from there it will take you to this page. Now you click on image, and before then ensure that you go to, I'm using my phone, or if you're using tablet, go to the three dot, change from phone to desktop site. Yeah, this, click on desktop site so you can see what you are doing clearly. Yeah, and afterward it will bring you to this feed, to this page, and you see generating field. From there you see this, it wants you to bring in your own picture I talked about earlier. So ensure that you click on it. Remove from desktop site. Ensure you remove from desktop site now. And this is your picture that you have brought in. If you have not signed in, sign in, because they will ask you to do that. So then what this circle they had, click on it. That's the place for you to add what you want it to generate. Here, I'm going to just use my finger to clean the side because I want to, what should come in. Just use your finger, it's not difficult. You can leave enough space if you want, of course, up as well. Bringing it to be here. So after wiping, it will bring in a prompt where you can type in. So I typed what I want, so you can come up with whatever you want, what you want it to generate, and afterward click on the blue dot there by the side where it says generate. So, and once you click, it starts generating and it will bring out what you want for you. And this is what it generated for me. So what I did, I don't save it, I just screenshot so I can have it. That's it. Okay, we go to CapCut, then new project, click on it. Okay, took me to image, to picture, because this picture I needed the background already created. I click on it, add, and it is in CapCut already. So next, overlay, click on it again, add overlay. Now click on video, because video you are bringing it to the background now. So I want to take any of these video, I don't mind any of them. Let me just click on this example, and voila, it's here in CapCut already. So it's just for me to adjust it to cover the image I brought in. Just adjust to your side, adjust, ensure that it's covering the other image below. And what you need to do, that image below the image, you see short here, adjust it to where the video is. Depends, this video is very short, but if your video is long, adjust it to adjust the background to where your video stops. So it's very easy. Let's try the video. It's very simple. Hi beautiful people, you're welcome. If you do enjoy this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. So that's it. This video is short, so this is how you put a background on your video. And next, what do you need to do? Click on import. Or I mean exporting or export. Okay, so anyone. Okay, then done. Your video is safe already now in your